guys? You got Bitbeard here, and in this video today, November 24th, 2021, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I've been using VVS Finance on the Cronos Smart Chain. I guess, could you call it the Smart Chain? So first things first, we're going to go over what VVS Finance is. It's basically the Pancake swap, if you're familiar with that. It's a decentralized exchange, farming platform, mining platform. VVS Finance actually just got listed on CoinMarketCap just the other day. They're also in the top gainers on crypto.com already, so they're already listed. You can already buy VVS Finance with fiat right from your debit card or your Visa or however you want to use crypto.com. So VVS Finance is basically it's the Pancake swap of the Cronos chain. So you can swap right here. This is their swap, super easy. Blink swap, very similar to Pancake swap. Also their liquidity here. This is where you can go ahead and create liquidity pairs and provide liquidity. Under earn here, this is their list of different farms. Some really nice APRs coming in through here, 1300%. This one also very, very nice USDT. I think this one actually just started coming up, and this one here, the Crow Shib pair, actually just got put on today. So VVS Finance was just listed on CoinMarketCap today. They were also listed in the top gainers on the crypto.com app. So they are really making moves here in the space. They were the first AMM, or automated market maker, on the Cronos chain. So they were, they're first in line. Everyone's already very familiar with them. If you look them up on YouTube here, you're going to be able to find quite a few different videos about them. So this is their docs, I suppose you would call it, just kind of the overview of their platform. Right now they have, like I said, the Blink swap, their crystal farms, their glitter mines, and they're going to be doing initial gem offerings, basically IDOs, ICOs, same kind of deal, launchpad, I guess. On this document, you have some guides for the Blink swap, the crystal farms, and the glitter mines. Just going to run you through exactly how to use them. I will probably end up creating some videos on how to do that down the road. Let's just take a look at the price here. Looking like we did complete quite a retrace here after launch. It's looking like we're coming back up. If we do a quick Fibonacci here, it's like we bounced nicely off the 786 line, so we're starting to move back up here, and with now being on crypto.com top gainers, we're even in the top 10. The price action will start moving up quite quickly to the upside, so that's looking super good. Also, let's take a look at the price of Crow is also mooning. We'll take a quick look at the video that I posted the other day. I showed you guys exactly where to put in an entry point on this, and it was right here.
Find an entry point somewhere around here. I had this green box here. I was thinking that I was going to come back down here, and yeah, I knew this was kind of my price point here. This is the 1382 extension line from this low over here to this high here, I believe, or no, it was to this high here, and this is the 1618 up here. We're definitely going to get there probably pretty soon. I would like to see it come back down. I mean, this is getting pretty out of hand here. I'd like to see it come back down and maybe retest this trend line here. But I mean, if it keeps continuing on, I have no problem with that either. That is totally possible, but it's going to have to make some sort of retracement. Maybe, I mean, look, it's already making this kind of stop here, so we might see it come back down here and test here, and then probably blast off up and through there anytime near soon. And this is the 4-hour chart, so we could be looking at a retest here, another entry point here within the next 5 days for you guys, maybe sooner, maybe within the next 3 days. So if you're looking for another entry point on CRO, that's probably definitely where I'd be looking, to somewhere in this area over here. Let's get my arrow here. Somewhere in this area, somewhere around the 70-cent mark. If it comes back down to 70 cents, I'd definitely be looking to enter in. So that's really what I'm looking at for the price of Crow.
Congratulations. I mean, shit, I think you're up close to 40%. Where are we at right now? So yeah, if you would have got in when I told you yesterday, you'd be sitting at 35% gain right now. And if you were on a leverage of any type, you could be sitting, anywhere from 350% to 700%, depending on what leverage you're using. So looking like a really good trade so far. Definitely bullish on Crow. The space is like, their chain is blowing up right now, you guys. So it's going to be the next Binance. So let's take a look at their crystal farms here on VVS Finance. They have quite a few options to choose from. Some seriously juicy APRs, looking at like 1300%. Let's go ahead right now and throw some liquidity on this pair right now. I already created the pair through Cafe Finance, which is probably the easiest way to go ahead and do it. So we're just going to max that out. So annual ROI at current rate, $5 million, you guys. Dang. VVS Finance is coming in at number 7 on the top gainers list. This allows you to actually buy VVS right now with fiat. So, I mean, this is really going to run the price of the token up big time because it's going to be so easily accessible. And that also shows some massive support from crypto.com. So that's what we want to see. This is really shaping up to be the Pancake swap of the Cronos chain. I would definitely be checking this out. If you want to get a crypto.com account, I will leave a link in the description below. You sign up using my link, you're going to get a free 25 bucks. I'm going to get a free 25 bucks. It's good for the both of us. It helps the channel grow. And yeah, I mean, you could throw that 25 bucks into VVS Finance here, and in a month or two, looking at a 100x easy, in my opinion. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything in this video is clearly for entertainment and informational purposes only. You know, we always got to say that silly little spiel. Okay, you guys, let's close out this video with just taking a quick look at the Crow price here real quick. So my last entry point that I gave you guys was right around 68 cents. We've now broken the 1618 extension line, and we are coming back down to retest it. If we lose this support here at the 1618, I would probably most likely see us come back down to the ribbons here, probably hit the 786 retracement here, and then I would imagine we're going to blast right back off up to the next, this 1382 extension line here from this high. So still lots of gas in the tank. We still have, you know, Cronos just launched. There's still lots of big things. The naming rights haven't even been finalized for the Staples Center yet. So I'd say we still have quite a bit of bullish momentum. You know, maybe a couple more little retracements. We also have just a little bit of hidden bearish divergence here. Creating a lower low on the oscillator while creating a higher high in the price. So we could see that play out, like I said, and come back down, touch the ribbons, and then blast off again. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully the tutorial helped you, and I hope that you are getting these trade setups and making a little bit of money. Don't forget to join the Telegram, t.me/Bitbeard's Barbershop. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and put your notifications on, because 90% of the information that I'm putting out there is very time sensitive, as well as watch the other 2 videos on the channel. We're just getting started here, so I plan to give you guys a new video every 3 days, or hopefully every 2 days, but we're going to do our best to bring you the most important information as fast as we possibly can. Thanks for checking out the video, and I will check you guys later.